And you keep dodging.
Just so you get out of it first and then I tell you to come in. Hello and welcome or welcome back. I'm now in Germany. I spent a day in Paris and now I've made it to Germany.
Oh,
Now it's your moment to pick up our favorite tall noodle.
That's me.
And it snowed here as well, and there's a lot more snow. So we're gonna walk to the center. I'm gonna try to stay warm because I'm freezing. But let's look at some snowy things here.
Let's do it.
Okay, tell us where we are, please.
So at the moment we are inside of the Naturkunde Museum in Karlsruhe. And the last time I've been here was... Why are you coming so close?
We gotta make sure you can hear you because I don't know how loud it is in here.
Okay. So this is the Naturkunde Museum in my hometown in Karlsruhe. Last time I was here, it was probably like 10 or something, so 15 years ago. And yeah, now we're gonna go explore. I'm very excited.
And what is that behind you here?
I guess the raccoons?
No, those are badgers. They're badgers.
Badgers.
There's some badgers.
It's the German raccoons.
Yes.
It's called ducks.
So we're in the Nature Museum, and
yeah, I should have explained
what
that.
is
Naturkunde means the knowledge of nature,
yes.
essentially.
So it's very many stuffed animals.
Very many stuffed animals, yes.
And things like that. But it's a perfect thing to do on a cold day because it is quite chilly outside.
Oh no, you killed the beaver. Give him a whatever this is, lady. You wanna tell us what you think so far?
I'm quite sleepy. It's very warm in here.
Yeah, me too.
But I do like all the animals. You said there's an aquarium.
There's an aquarium eventually.
I'm looking forward to that, but I'm quite sleepy.
Ooh, big heads. This has also been there since I was a small child.
Are you focusing? You're not
No, it's focusing.
Wonderful.
Wait, is that real? Is that a real thing?
No, I don't think so.
No, it's not. It's a big thing. And that's a binky.
No, like look down. Lean. We found the aquarium.
I don't see no fish. Oh, what's that? That's just a plant, probably. And with this fella right there. Hey there. Hey there, bud. You're a trippy little guy. Oh!
Didn't like it.
Yeah, I get scared. What about you?
stop it, start again. Oh, or right there. Perfect. There it comes.
Here it comes.
Meow. We are now back home. It's nice and warm. Nick is cooking spaghetti.
That's right.
So we're gonna eat some tasty dinner and then watch a movie and get warm because it is very cold outside. So, you're cooking away back there?
Yes. I hope it didn't make it too spicy for you.
Oh.
I just put a little bit in it, okay? You're gonna be alright.
Okay, let's hope.
Don't be so dramatic about it.
It'll be fine, it'll be fine. So with that, I'm gonna end the video here. So if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, possibly subscribe, and we will see you in another video soon.
Also, visit Karlsruhe. I should be careful with that. Visit Karlsruhe, it's a beautiful city. Alright, south of Germany, Bavaria, you know what it is.
Yes, what he said.
Word.
Bye.